about speed, we think about maybe airplanes, cars, and then also boats. So one topic is buoyancy. Buoyancy. Indeed, buoyancy. How do we tread water? Um, a tire is very interesting. So when I first built this, it was like this. So I was like, oh, I want it to be buoyant, to be stable, to be balanced. And it's tough. There. Now it's balanced. Now, nothing. But here is perhaps an axle, right? Some spores, and of course the rubber tire. Rubber is extremely important. Make it dynamic. So we can see it. Fictitious clearance. Let's go with 1 meter. It's the sleeves. Now we kind of looks a little different. How did it climb up, right? How did it get like this? And now it's all red. Let's try. This was rubber. So let's try wood. Does it change? It's isotropic. It's great. Make it hyperelastic. We need D1 going down. So now it's a fulcrum, right? This is called a fulcrum, where you would have a pulley system through here that would pull it upon the fulcrum. So we'll look up a pulley and fulcrum system. What was that? So this is kind of a system for moving weights. Right? Typically, weights are a decent model. Separation of the pulleys in the gun tackle shows a force balance that results in the tension, right? So, like our body has tension in it.